Welcome to the Hamsey Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Friday, May 25th, 2012. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange Advanced Decline Differential closed at 46. The Nasdaq Advanced Decline Differential closed at 10. There were 8 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and none new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. For the volatility, there were 386,000 contracts traded on the VIX today, and the total premium was 40 million. The dollar-weighted put-call ratio on June was 0.71 with 60% of the total premiums paid. For July, 1.27 with 34% of the total premiums paid. We have a special offer by TradeStation. Get your Hamsey Analytics proprietary indicators paid by TradeStation. Contact Active Traders Office in Chicago, Peter Albino, at the number listed below. Here we have the daily chart for ES. As you can see, we're 7.5 handles down for the day. The CI now is green, basically flat, a little bit pointing upwards, which is good. One thing to take here into consideration, we may have some bear flag in place. As you can see here, the stick of the flag, and here the flag actually itself. So we're gonna see if it plays out and we actually go lower, maybe test this 1272 level, which is the 200-day moving average, or we are gonna break it and go above it. Maybe break the 1350, 1344 level, which is some resistances there. So we'll see what happens here on Tuesday when we come back and the regular market opens. For gold, for the weekly chart, let's see here on the Sigma channels, we basically had an up week, not much. We ended up the middle range of the week. We were not able to break the 0 sig line on the weekly to the upside, but we did took some big portion of what we lost last week out of it, so that was positive. For gold, here we have the weekly chart for gold. As you can see here, we're on the -2 channel right now, so slightly we were oversold here at those levels, at the lows, but we bounced back somewhat. As you can see here, CI does not point anything that we need to go up or down, still pointing lower, so we may find the 1507 as the next target on the weekly chart. On the daily chart for gold, today was up 1%. You can see here we broke the 10-day moving average, but still we're making lower highs. We're gonna see how it breaks, how it goes on Monday, Tuesday, and if what's gonna happen with this 1550 level that has been acting as resistance lately in the very short term. So the next level to watch is 1500 and 1600, $100 range to. That's the target here. Silver was up today again also, which was positive, 1% higher. We could see here we were almost at the same levels as yesterday high. The next level we're watching here on the upside is the 2904 level, and to the downside the 2630 level. So those are the levels to watch on the silver. As you can see here, this is the weekly chart for silver. We're right now at the -2 sigma. We were slightly oversold last week, but we still were bounced from the lows. CI continues to point lower, and we're not green yet, so we could see some selling here off. The target, as you can see here on the weekly, is 2610, but first we need to break the 2630 level that we've been talking about. The last chart that we're gonna look at is the VIX. This is the daily chart for the VIX. Today the did not move as much as we thought. Was 1% higher for the day. We're still on the 2181 level, so nothing much happening. We want to break below 20 or above 25.40 to get either low volatility or a high volatility environment. And the weekly chart, we are at the +3 sigma. We eased off. Right now we're now at the 1 sigma. So we want to see a bigger explosion to the upside to flush the week longs and maybe then rally with the market. Have a good weekend. I'll see you Tuesday.